I'm Natasha and I'm the Digital Marketing Apprentice at Sort Group. Originally I went to university and I did media and film production, and marketing was one of the modules that I did on my course, and I really enjoyed it. But when I left uni and started looking for jobs, everywhere wanted you to have experience, and obviously you can't really get experience without having worked in the industry. So after looking around, I came across apprenticeships and went down that route. So the onboarding process was really smooth. From the initial introductory call, everyone was really friendly, and they helped me with the process of creating the CV, applying for the role. I'm finding the training really good. I'm really enjoying it. So my mentor is Neil, and he's really friendly. He's really easy to talk to, and just in general everyone on the course gets along really well, so everyone's really supportive of each other, and you know that if you need help you can go straight to Neil, but it's nice knowing that you can also go to others on the course now. I think the most important skill that I've gained is confidence, because before I came here I was really nervous because I didn't really have much knowledge about marketing, and one of the first things that my mentor told me was actually don't be afraid to ask questions, because it's a learning process, and so I'm always asking questions now. And because I'm working alongside someone who actually started as an apprentice and she's now my mentor, I'm learning so much from them, and just being surrounded by people who have worked in the industry, I don't feel afraid, and it's really confidence building. If I had known about apprenticeships sooner, I would have done this rather than go to university, just because I feel a lot more confident in my career path now. Not only am I learning and developing new skills, but I know that I now have a secure career ahead of me. Because I remember when I was at sixth form, we were basically told that you had to go to university, because if you didn't, you would just sort of fail at life. And as bad as it sounds, apprenticeships were sort of looked down upon. But now, most people I know actually have all graduated from university and gone on to do apprenticeships, because trying to get into a field that you want to do without experience and just a university degree doesn't really help as much as they say it does. But with an apprenticeship, you're learning on the job and you're developing skills.